Let's go, everyone! Today, super excited to be unboxing this Bouncie car GPS tracker and monitor. This is pretty cool. So I just heard about this. Had to get one after I heard what this guy does. Let's see, how do we open this? Oh, is how you open it? Oh, I see. Yeah, this is really cool though. It's a car GPS monitor, plugs into your OBD2 port, but does more than GPS tracking. Wow. So you get the app, create your account right in the app. That will guide you through setup and installation. It's quick and easy. So Bouncie plugs into your car's OBD2 port. Let's get this out. Anything else? Nope, just simple device here. Oh, that's cool. Yeah, it just plugs into your car's OBD2 port and tracks a lot of things, so super excited for this. Assembled in the USA. Yeah, really cool. I'll drop a link in the video description on where I got this from, and super excited to try this out. Cool, let me know if you got this product, what you think of this in the comment section below. Hope you're all doing well, and I'll catch you for the next unboxing video. Later.